There is no way a Muslim can practice Islam without sound Islamic knowledge. If you study the glorious Quran from the beginning to the end, you will discover that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has mentioned the word knowledge and its derivatives at least 854 times. The word knowledge and its various forms have been repeated in the glorious Quran a minimum of 854 times. In some places as a noun, in some places as a verb, and in some places you will describe that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala uses the word knowledge in order to describe to us his own position as our Almighty. It is because of this, from the word al-ilm, that is the knowledge, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has mentioned his name as the source of knowledge, or the most knowledgeable, or the all-knowing, 157 times in the glorious Quran. This is to show to us the position of knowledge in our religion, to the extent that you cannot attain a sound faith in Allah without knowledge. You cannot empower yourself without knowledge. You cannot empower others without knowledge. It is because of this that knowledge has a transcendental value in Islam. And Islam and knowledge are synonymous. And this synonymity has been mentioned in so many places in the glorious Quran.